Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by preparing your Microsoft account and UPI app. Sign into the Microsoft Store using your Microsoft account. Set the account region to India inside account settings on the web. Install a UPI app such as Google Pay or Phone Pay on your phone. Confirm you have an active UPI ID and linked bank account in that app. Also verify your Microsoft account phone number and email for payment confirmation. Open the Microsoft Store on your PC and locate the app or purchase. Click Buy or Install for the paid item and proceed to checkout. Choose Add a Payment Method and then select the UPI option from the list. Enter your UPI ID precisely or perform a QR code scan if prompted by the store. Your phone will open the UPI app to request approval for the exact amount. Approve the payment in the UPI app to finalize and return to the store confirmation screen. If the payment fails, first confirm your bank account is linked to the UPI app. Check that you remember and can enter your UPI PIN correctly when prompted on your phone. Verify you have sufficient balance or transaction limits to cover the purchase amount. Ensure the phone number on your Microsoft account matches the number used by the UPI app. Update both the Microsoft Store app and your UPI app to their latest versions for compatibility. Enable two-factor security and retry the payment to complete your purchase.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.